Hi guys, today I'll talk about the new release in Agno Go. What's new? I have some features: round tracker, advanced calling, resource persistence, project raise, this is the next video, memory manager, knowledge base, team collaborations, worker, vector story, and more. Now I show who use team. I have some examples in cookbook agents. We have configuration, session, recension, technology, hooks, guardians, and more. So this example show how you can use team in team collaboration role. This is not a role, it's a mode of thing. So I have research agents for search the information, write agents, editor agents, and now I have my team. Team I mode originated thing. You can use another models for this. And I am using the Ollama Cloud. Use DeepSeek v3. Okay, let's read. So I can run. First, I show some information about my configuration, agents, and thing. My agents, my team. First task, research about benefits of programming language. Research get the content. After this, write get this content and write the same article. After this, register agent to make the review. And last, the team manager use these contents and create a resume. A small content about this using 1000 words. This is very, very simple. Thank you for watching. I see you next.